Hi, this is Sambasivam, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Technology. Hope everybody is good. Now I am going to discuss about in the next topic, the generation of electricity based upon water-based resources. Everybody knows hydroelectric and steam power plant or hydroelectric dam. Everything we have like producing of electricity in the reservoirs or dams or Indian water flow surfaces. In contrast to that, I would like to share the presentation which is related to our current topic, which is nothing but the hydroelectric power plant. The normally the electricity has been generated by using an electricity. So the first and foremost one is dams and reservoirs. So the dam is built on wide river in mountain terrains to guarantee enough water storage at high time. Behind the dam is a big reservoir. So the reservoir's water level, called the water head, controls how much potential energy is stored in the dam. So normally the water has been collected during rainy season, and the dam has been built across those collection of water reservoirs. So the next one is storage tank. Storage tank and control gate. So water from the reservoir is permitted to flow via penstock into an turbine through a control gate. So the control gate can be used to regulate the amount of water discharge in the penstock. The greatest amount of water discharge via penstock is always depends upon the control of the what do you say, the control of the particular parts. So as I said like earlier, right, the controlling parts has been different in compared to in different sectors. Similarly, the regulation of water has to be taken place into a pure proper connection between the penstocks and everything. Sir. So the penstock has been used to avoid the damage. So as I said earlier, right. So it is installed along the reservoirs and it always to avoid the water hammer effect. When the low or when the return back of flow of water which increases the high pressure. So it tends to break. So in order to know that it is known to as a water hammer. So to avoid that the water hammer it has to be obtained. The control stock. So next one is an powerhouse. So power house is built that houses a water turbine, generator, transformer, and control room. So then water turbine, the water turbines such as very much level of different things, right? Water turbine is the receives water from the penstock. The electric generator is mechanically linked to an turbine. So the kinetic energy of water powers the turbine which drives the generator. So water turbine are classified into two types. One is impulse and reaction turbines. The largest are handled by an impulse turbines, whereas the low and medium heads are handled by an reaction turbines. So the next part is the generator is mechanically linked to the turbine shaft and placed in the powerhouse. When the turbine blades revolves, the driver of the generator which generates an electricity, which is then improved for transmission with the support of transformers. So as I said earlier, right, the substance. So typically used for large minimum of outputs. Similarly, the draft tube also is connected to an outlet of the turbine. So then apart from this tail race, it refers to the downstream level of water discharged from a turbine. So then the step-up transformer, it converts the alternating AC current into a high voltage sustainable for transmission of an electricity. So in previous time I discussed about is the penstock. It is the passage of where water flows from reservoir to. So according to this, it has been classified into three different categories. One is high head, medium head, and low head according to the water head level from 3 to 300-meter level of heights. So above 300-meter of level heights. So the factors affecting to be considered for the location of hydroelectric power plant is adequate of water. So the water availability should be higher. Then cost and type of the land, because there is a larger level of land is required, large acres of land is huge stretches and equipments also required to storage of large amount of water and storage of water. So So availability throughout is also one of the major criteria we have to discuss. And then transportation facilities, the site should be accessible by rail, road for easy transportation of equipments and as well as machineries. So then pumped storage facilities, the pumping facilities to rescue water should be possible. So the merits of hydroelectric power plant is requires no fuels and is pollution free, low operating cost, simple in construction, requires less maintenance, very robust and durable. The reservoir and dam can be used for fragmentation. So demerits of hydroelectric power plant is very high cost. So skilled personnel is required for construction. High cost of transmission of power is normally required far from hill areas. Period of delay causes the delay in commission of plant. Construction of new plant may be need rehabilitation for the people and payment consumption for land consumption. This is something about hydro steam power plant. Thanks for watching video. In the next video, I will catch up with another stage of power plant. Till that, bye bye. Thank you. This is signing off as Sambasivam, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore.